Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method ljust. In Python, the ljust method returns a specified string, left justified based on a given length width. The padding is done using a specified fill character where the default used is a whitespace. And the syntax here for the method is a string underscore object followed by .ljust, and then with two parameters, width and fill character, where width is a required parameter, which is the width of the specified string, and the optional parameter Fillchar is used to specify the character used to fill the remaining spaces of the given width. The string that we'll work with here is machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence for the variable machine underscore learning. And so we'll start off here by creating variable left underscore string. And we will left justify this by adding on an additional 7 characters. So we'll take the length of the string plus 7, and we'll print left justified string left string. And we can see here based on the output that this is the original string here returned. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence with additional 7 default white spaces here added at the end. So this return left justified string with additional 7 white spaces. And so we can extend this further to specify specific characters to be filled. So we'll create a variable @_car, which equals the string with a single @ symbol. And we'll create another variable left underscore string underscore filled, which equals to machine learning .ljust, followed by length machine learning plus 7, and then using the @ character here to fill. Then we'll print left justified string followed by left string filled. And we can see here that this returns the string with additional 7 characters at the end, which here it's filled with the @ symbol. So this is using both width and Fillchar parameters and return string filled with @ symbol for the additional 7 characters. And we can also look at filling for empty strings. So we'll create a variable empty underscore string, which equals to an empty string, and we'll print empty underscore string .ljust 7, followed by the symbol used here is just a hashtag. And so this here returns the string. So empty string here now has 7 characters, and all of these characters are now hashtags. So return 7 hashtags. So this is how to use the ljust method in Python to left justify a string and fill it with a specific character.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.